Hi guys, welcome to Get Humanities and Social Science YouTube channel. Guys, in this video, I'll give you the very important information about Get 2022 updates. Okay, so guys, let's start. I think you can see my laptop interface and cursor also, and so guys, I think it is visible to you that get exam dates announced. Okay, so get 2022, get 2022. So it will be conducted by IIT Kharagpur. Already I have uh, mentioned it, and look. Look, KGP. Okay, so IIT Kharagpur will conduct GATE 2022 exam, and this IIT, okay, the oldest IIT and largest campus in our country, largest institute in our country. So this IIT already has announced the dates. So in which dates so the exam will be conducted. So it will be on exam will be conducted on 5th February, 6th February, and 12th February and 13th February. So you can see this Indian Institute of Technology Kharagpur on Tuesday announced to conduct the graduate aptitude test in engineering, that is GATE, on 5th, 6th, 12th and 13th February, and two new papers have been introduced. Okay, two new papers have been introduced. Okay, so what are these two papers? So these two papers, one is GE papers, that is geomatics engineering, and another is NM papers. Okay, so naval architecture and marine engineering. These are two demanding domain. Okay, these are two demanding domain. uh, so that is why IIT already introduced this uh, two subject, okay, in this session for 2022. I think this information will be really helpful, and if this information uh, is helpful, so please like this video and share this video with your friends, and subscribe my YouTube channel Get Humanities and Social Science. So you will get every updates related to Get 2022 exam, Get to 2022 exam. I am here to help you. I am here to help you. So you will get every Get related information from this YouTube channel. So guys, and one more important information is that the brand value of this exam. So many international university are taking students through this GATE exam. You can see this. Okay, GATE is the first acquiring a brand value, and foreign universities are also utilizing the scores of for their admission. Okay, so GATE is a global exam now, so you will be able to apply in foreign universities also. So guys, just start your preparation from this month. It will be really helpful, and you will definitely crack this exam that will be conducted on 5th to 13th February. So 5th to 13th February is the exam date, and that is February. Okay, so that is Feb. So it means that you have very good enough time. You have very good enough time. You have 6 months, very good enough time to score very good marks, to get very good score and good rank. So guys, start your preparation. Don't waste your time. Give efforts. Okay, give efforts. Okay, so I have qualified GATE exam twice, that is in 2029 and 22. So that was actually. So guys, give your best. if you give your best, definitely will crack. Okay, and on the basis of gate score, I got admission in IIT Bombay. Okay, so I got offer from many IITs. I got offer from many IITs. Okay, and I will tell my stories. Okay, so in upcoming videos. So all the best, tata bye bye from my side. Jai Hind, Bande Mataram.